Greetings. This is supposed to be an informational series for students who are interested in applying to the accelerated program at the David B. O'Malley College of Business. In particular, it applies to students interested in MBA, MBA in Aviation Management, depending on which undergraduate program they are in, MS in Aviation Finance, and MS in Aerospace Business Analytics. In this first part, we'll just talk about how to apply. Broadly speaking, the series consists of the following steps: how to apply, what to do after acceptance, particularly what is this process in which students are allowed to enroll for classes. It is not that obvious, and therefore they need to understand what happens. What are the grade requirements in accelerated program in the bridge classes, and then how to enroll into graduate classes after UG undergraduate graduation. And then there are some certain special situations which we'll discuss in the end of the series. So in the first step, how to apply. To apply to the accelerated program, students need to have certain criteria in mind. The first thing is to be able to access the application. Then the requirements to apply in the accelerated program are 2 letters of recommendation. These letters of recommendation must be academic. They cannot be from professionals or coaches for athletes or from known people like other students who are existing in the program. No, they have to be academic from professors who've taught the student. In certain situations, there are certain members of the university staff who've taught the students in certain conditions that those applications can also be accepted on a case-by-case basis. The other 2 criteria are a grade point average of 3.0 and above, and the number of credits that must be completed at the time of application is 75. The letters of recommendation can either be collected by the student or can be emailed by the recommender to Daytona Graduate Admissions at the email address graduate.admissions@erau.edu. So that is the first step. Now let us see how to access this application form. To be able to access the application form, we have to go to ERAU, then click on Departments, and after clicking on Departments, then go to Records and Registration by clicking the letter R, and then click on Daytona Beach, and then once you reach the web page of the Office of Registrar at the Departments page on ERAU, then click on Forms right there. So after clicking on Forms, we will see the accelerated programs application. So when we click on this accelerated programs application, they're able to apply. Now I'm not able to apply because I'm not a student and I'm just walking through the various processes. So the system is going to give me an error when I click on that link. But for a student who is eligible, this should not be a problem at all. So this is the first step in applying for the accelerated program at the Daytona Beach campus of and David B. O'Malley College of Business. Thank you very much for listening.